So how does Sean Cannell from ThinkMedia make money on YouTube? Hey guys, Mike here from Sell Your Service, and today I'm going to be reviewing Video Ranking Academy 2.0 from the perspective of a funnel builder. You can also find a link to it below straight away. It is an affiliate link. I've taken the course and I wouldn't be reviewing it if I genuinely didn't think it was one of the best things that you could buy in order to help out with your video influence, generating money with YouTube, and importantly, developing a set of skills that you can help your customers with their video marketing funnels. I'm going to be looking at the price, the features, what's included in the course, what Sean teaches you, and more importantly, how Sean ranks videos and how he makes money online and teaches people to make it online. If you want help ranking videos on YouTube, creating video content, making money with YouTube, and growing your brand and business with YouTube, this just might be the best possible course that you can buy for it. So YouTube is already packed with creators. It's something like in 2009, there was only like a handful of people that had 1 million subscribers, and now there's thousands of channels with over 1 million subscribers. And one of the big problems I think we face is, how does anyone really get started on YouTube? Hasn't all the space already been taken up? Everything's already been done. And especially, how do you make money on YouTube? The reason that I bought the course is, one, obviously I trust Sean from ThinkMedia, as well as Benji. They've also written a book called YouTube Secrets, and I'm a huge fan of their work and how they create content, as well as the quality of the content that they put out. The difference though is that I really wanted to get started on YouTube. I was really struggling to break the 1,000 subscribers mark, which we've now done thanks to Video Ranking Academy. But also I didn't really know how I was supposed to structure videos, what kind of topics to go after. The biggest reason that I bought the course is because I constantly had people telling me, I don't get it, your content's really good, but you don't have the number of subscribers you should do. So I thought, well, if anyone knows how to do that, it's going to be Sean and his team. So I'm going to jump into this course. I bought it straight away, and I have to say I absolutely loved it. I think there's a huge misconception that there's no more room on YouTube. In actual fact, Sean talks about this. The amount of people who are going to be discovering YouTube for the first time and growing with YouTube is actually increasing. So if anything, YouTube, the size and the potential of it is actually growing, and now is the best time. Yes, the best time to have done it was 10 or 5 years ago, but now is the second best time to do it, just like starting a business. If you don't know how to create video content, it's also a really good introduction on how to create high-ranking, watchable video content that your audience are going to love. So my first point is that Sean literally knows what he's talking about. I think the most interesting thing is that Sean goes into his YouTube channel and his videos. Sean talks about his ranking strategy and his channel. He also shows you some of the money that he generates per video, as well as his channel. It's a really interesting view on what's actually working out there in the field with YouTube. Part of this comes from Sean's experience with it. The fact that he's been doing this such a long time means that he's got an understanding beyond what most people learn from a purely academic standpoint. I think one of the biggest problems with courses like this is that so often people will teach what they haven't really done. And Sean kind of flips that on its head, and in fact goes into his videos and his content to talk about what works and how to rank your videos as well as make more money. So in terms of pedigree, we used to call it, Sean's a pretty good place to start. He has a fantastic background with growing his subscribership, generating a living from YouTube, as well as ranking YouTube videos really, really well. So in terms of, does Sean know what he's talking about? Yes, to start with, but also he's actually going to show you what works on his video and his content, and he even publishes a video in real time to show you how he goes through those stages. The second thing I absolutely love is that Sean and the course totally remove the myths about making money on YouTube. Most people assume that the only way to make money on YouTube is through advertising, and in actual fact, that's not true. Sean talks about a variety of ways to drive revenue from your videos and from creating content. Everything from, yeah, advertising is a part of it, but creating products, using it as training, using it as positioning, using it as branding, using it as a lead magnet, as well as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and demonstrations. In fact, the reason I produce these videos here is because of the format and the template that Sean gives on how to create videos, and especially how to create money with videos on YouTube. One of my biggest things is I love templates, I love worksheets, I love processes. I like to know what works, and I like to have a system that I can repeat to create consistently high quality products or videos or blog content or podcasts, and Sean gives the process for being able to create these videos. Rather than just being a broad overall content template, it's a video template, and it's the same video template that he uses. What's really interesting is after you've learned that process, if you go back and watch his videos, you can see it in action, and you can also see all of his descriptions and his tags and his metadata being used in the same way. Sean covers absolutely everything from thumbnail creation all the way through to what tags to go for, and the bit that was most important to me was what keywords should I be looking for to rank, because YouTube is a search engine. It's not a video platform, it's a search engine, which is a really interesting dynamic for me to understand. Which brings us on to point number 3. The most important thing that your videos can do is attract traffic. And in fact, it's not subscribers. Sean's helped me understand that subscribers aren't the thing that I want, it's watch minutes. So I want to keep driving up the watch minutes of my YouTube videos and increase the number of minutes watched per month across my channel. And the way that you do that is by being found. Because YouTube is a search engine, it's obviously owned by Google, so search is a huge part of the process behind discovering videos. And Sean teaches you that process for discovering keywords that your audience is searching for, as well as how to rank your videos for those search terms. I personally have managed to rank 4 or 5 videos within an hour at the top spot of a few keywords that I really wanted to go after, with some extremely simple tagging, metadata, and descriptions. The process to rank videos actually starts kind of right at the beginning, beyond the video or the type of camera you've got. None of that seems to matter. What Sean wants to go after is, why are you creating videos on YouTube? Which brings me on to point number 4. Sean starts the course from a completely different angle. I've done a few courses on creating content, video content, building out YouTube channels, and none of them have started from the angle that Sean has, which is essentially, why are you doing this? And to really examine why I wanted to create video content, when I became honest with myself, it's because I realized that what I wanted to do is help people, because I believe that everyone has the right to earn as much as they want. So I wanted to create video content that positioned me as an expert and an authority. Yes, I also wanted to generate an income and attract money from my YouTube content, which is why I have these affiliate products. They are already doing really well. I'm staggered at just how well they're doing in comparison to some of my other affiliate programs. And it's all through using video. But what was most important was Sean actually steps back from the video platform and says, if you understand your why, and if you understand the reasons behind you doing it and what you want to get out of it, like your main goal, it's actually easier to create video content. You focus less on the camera and the lighting and the sound and the editing, and more on the core message behind all of your content, which was so important for me to hear. Finally, number 5, like I mentioned, I've already seen success with the course. I've already grown my YouTube subscribers. I've already increased the watch minutes. I've actually increased watch minutes more than the number of subscribers that I've got, which is really awesome to me. It also has helped me produce more video content at a higher, more consistent quality. And we've already generated affiliate sales from the links generated in videos like this. So in summary, yeah, I absolutely think it's a course that everyone should be looking at. Like I said, I've got a link below. It is an affiliate link. The price is $397, and that's a lifetime license. It also comes with a few bonuses, as well as some access to the community. Sean's actually quite active in the comments on each video. Each video is broken down into really small, manageable segments and comes with a bunch of worksheets for you to be able to work through all that content. For the price, $397 is a steal for the value given away in this course. You could easily make that back very quickly if you follow Sean's advice and tactics on how to generate money and rank videos using YouTube. Ultimately, the course taught me a completely different perspective on how to create video content and how to use video content within our marketing mix and within our income generation strategy. There's loads of amazing bonuses and worksheets included. It's not just talking to video, it's not just slides. There's exercises. Sean shows behind the scenes, as well as a few screen shares on what he's doing within his videos. And he also shows examples from past people and past tactics that have worked. If there's something that I change, to be honest, I just want more. I want more of that kind of content. I'd like a deeper look. Sean does have his inner circle, which goes into that depth, but the quality of the content content kind of left me thinking I really want to learn more about creating videos and writing scripts and ranking videos and any other strategies that Sean might know. So if anything, I was left wanting more, not from a bad perspective, but from a really good perspective of, oh my God, this is so valuable. How else can I continue to learn this? I think my favorite thing was seeing how people actually make money with YouTube. It completely changed my perspective on what making money with YouTube looked like and how you could do that. It's not just advertising. It's not just about creating viral video content that gets advertisers. What it's about is finding an audience, understanding what they want, and delivering what it is that they want so you can earn what it is you need from that audience. So you can start ranking your videos and making money on YouTube today. The link is below. Go ahead and check it out. There is a payment plan option as well. Use this with your customers. The biggest piece of advice I can give you is learn everything that Sean goes through and then start working through these worksheets and these processes with your customers. Start working with them on creating video content that grows their brand and grows their influence and grows their income using YouTube, because through Sean's course I learned that everybody can do it. Absolutely everybody. It's not at all exclusive. So yeah, join the Video Ranking Academy 2.0 fam. That's what they call it. Today, like I said, the link is below. Go ahead and check that out. In the meantime, guys, thank you very much. Let me know in the comments if you are already a member of Video Ranking Academy 2.0 in the comments below. I'd be really interested to hear. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If this video was useful, give me a like and a share. I super appreciate any kind of feedback that I get from this. I've also probably got a couple of videos either side of me right here. In the meantime, guys, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Keep building those funnels.